Okay, I'm so tired of waiting for you, so I'm going to make a video. This one is going to incorporate, again, the abdominals on one of the balls. So what we're going to do is do a abdominal crunch, the simplest form. So we roll out. This is a trick. You roll out and get down onto your, so you have your hips wrapped around. Okay, and to get up, if you want to practice, I've got like a slippery rug and bare feet, which isn't recommended, but that's how you do it. You roll out and lay down, push up through the hips, through the feet, and sit up. So roll out into position, and you just come up to about here. So you come down. As soon as you feel those shoulders touch, you lift up. You want to hold that position. Okay? Probably going to be shaking a little bit, but that's good because that's where you're going to be really activating that abdominal muscle. Okay? So we're just going to stretch over. I'm going to incorporate some of the stretches in here too. Stretch over the ball, allowing the whole body to expand and the spine to contract. Now say, for example, you wanted to increase the amount of resistance because at some point you're going to find that is going to become easier for you. So in my bag of tricks, you can either use a medicine ball or sometimes a dumbbell. So you roll it out, and this time it's a little different. So you could do this where you're just holding the bell parallel to the abdominals. This will just raise up, okay? Now the more advanced version is where you come all the way up into a seated position, like that. So just raising that up, back down. Okay, but don't get too hasty with it, all right? So this will also work. Hold, down, up, hold, down, up, hold, okay? As I said, again, give yourself a stretch. Pull that down. So those are a couple of abdominals. That's how you do crunches on the ball. Right now I'm also going to do another stretch. This is a hip stretch. So you have your feet angled out like that. All right? And what you're going to do is you're going to come to one side and then back to the other side and forward. So your feet are pointed out at about 10 and 2. You roll your knee towards that one foot, then back. And as you roll your knee towards the foot, the hip comes forward and it allows that stretching through the groin. So this is a very, very good stretch to release those adductors is what they call them. And these are involved in moving the leg in and towards the middle. Okay, so that's a stretch. Let's go ahead and do another stretch. This is kind of a big ball. I'm going to try it, but we'll see. If you want to use a smaller ball in this particular stretch, you do it this way so you can see. So, yeah, this is a big ball, so it's going to be difficult, but you get your knee, the pressure of the ball is on the above part, and then you just bring this knee, like in a lunge position, toward the toe. Okay, toward the toe. At this point, I gotta remember to look at the camera. You can lift up that same arm. Now you can always do this with something to stabilize here, like a table. Okay, and then you roll back, switch out to the other side, and move back so I can get in here the whole way. Alright, so you straddle the ball like in a lunge position. You're going to move this knee towards the foot. Okay, it's going to pull back. You want to make sure this part of the ball is on above the knee. So you should feel it on your quadricep above the knee. Now once I initiate that stretch, I lift it up, look up. I want to hold it for about 10 seconds. So this is like, your warrior pose in yoga. But adding the ball to it is going to add almost like you have a partner stretching you. Okay? So with that, let's go ahead and leave it at that for now, and we'll get back to you soon. And Hope you have a wonderful day.